Amphenol's milled DTL38999 connectors paired with PCD backshells delivered unmatched performance in extreme environments. Hi, I'm Ian Foley, Product Specialist at PEI-Genesis. Today we're exploring the trusted reliability of Amphenol Aerospace 38999 connectors and Amphenol PCD backshells. We stock one of the largest inventories of Amphenol's 38999 connector families, Series 1, 2, and 3. These mil-spec connectors offer superior EMI shielding, high contact density, and environmental sealing. Each series offers a unique coupling style. The Series 3 TV-CTV features robust triple start threaded coupling. Series 2 JT connectors use a fine thread double start coupling, and Series 1 LJT offers a similar build to Series 2, but with different shell materials. Need a quick disconnect? The SJT series provide bayonet coupling for faster field servicing. Originally built for military and commercial aviation, D38999 connectors are now used in everything from satellites and radar systems to ground vehicles, naval platforms, and industrial robotics. Now let's take a closer look at the Amphenol PCD backshells that complete these interconnect systems. These backshells are designed to optimize cable strain relief, shielding integrity, and mechanical protection. The OmniLite backshells are lightweight composites, corrosion resistant, and adjustable to straight, 45, or 90 degrees. Composite band lock backshells are lightweight and provide 360-degree shielding with a secure self-locking mechanism. The band lock backshell supports fast, reliable shield attachment for inline applications. And the AlumaLite band lock backshells are 100% aluminum, providing secure shielding and reducing overall system weight by 50%. No matter the configuration, Amphenol PCD backshells ensure your cabling is protected and your signal integrity is maintained, even in the toughest conditions. At PEI-Genesis, we don't just stock these parts, we custom assemble them fast to your exact specs. With thousands of components ready to ship and AS9100 certified processes, we're built for speed, precision, and reliability. From rugged 38999 connectors to advanced PCD backshells, PEI-Genesis delivers the total interconnect solution, built to perform, built to last. To get started with a quote or custom build, visit PEIGenesis.com or reach out to our team today. Thanks for watching.